Struggling to figure out how to get your US dollars into Kraken so you can start trading? You're not alone. It can seem a bit complicated at first, but in just a few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the easiest and most common way to do it. First, let's get you logged in. Go to Kraken.com and sign into your account. On the home page, you're going to look for the deposit button. It's usually pretty prominent. Once you click that, you'll be taken to a page where you can search for the currency you want to deposit. In this case, that's US dollar or USD. Now, Kraken offers a few different ways to deposit USD, but the most popular and straightforward method for many users in the United States is an ACH bank transfer, often facilitated by a service called Plaid. It's fast, secure, and has no deposit fees. To use this, you'll select Linked Bank Transfer or ACH via Plaid. You'll be prompted to connect your bank account. Plaid is a widely used financial technology service that allows you to securely link your bank account to Kraken without sharing your login details directly with them. You'll just need to follow the on-screen instructions, which will involve selecting your bank and logging in through Plaid's secure portal. Once your bank account is linked, you'll be taken back to Kraken's deposit page. Your bank account will be pre-selected. Now, all you have to do is enter the amount you want to deposit, review the details, and confirm the transaction. The funds should show up in your Kraken account within minutes. For those outside the US or for larger deposits, you might need to use a different method, like a Fedwire or Swift transfer. These methods typically involve getting Kraken's bank details and then initiating the transfer from your own bank's online portal. It's a bit more manual and can take longer, but the instructions are clearly laid out in your Kraken account. Just be sure to always include the unique reference code they provide, as this is how they credit the funds to your specific account. Remember, always double-check the deposit minimums, fees, and processing times for your chosen method, as they can vary. But for most users, ACH via Plaid is the way to go. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.